Yo, we'll be doing a prize pack opening. So, we got Bionic packs, Stratosphere packs, Bionic, Bold packs, 4, Dark Matter, Clyde Drexler, Player packs, what else? Season 5 Super Pack, Wild West Deluxe pack, Stratosphere. For some reason, your latest packs are in the first are here in the first, and your old packs that you acquired is at last. Let's see, let's start player packs. Player packs. Tyler Hero. Fix that. Player packs. I think they add 100 overall LeBron James on this player packs. Problem is the pack odds are trash. Ooh, Jason Tatum. That's Jason Tatum. Let's see. Oh crap. Big diamond pack. Diamond Jason Tatum is our best spool of the day. This pack. Yo, there's no. I think they took out the season rewind packs. Anthony Edwards. Oh my goodness, what's happening? That's a new update. Your latest packs are the first, and your old packs are the last. This is Derek White. Man, NBA 2K24 is so boring right now since you can't get the top cards in the game. They're all very playable. Jared Vanderbilt. Lakers. I got their ass whooped by the Denver Nuggets again, just like last year. Only improvement is they won one game. 4-1. This really shakes. Andrew Wiggins. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yes, okay. Base packs. Base packs. Playoffs. It's Jim Column. Oh. Nuggets. Nuggets and the Timberwolves. Timberwolves won. Wow, I think the Minnesota Timberwolves will win. Will be the champion this year. Base pack. Literally not pulling anything from the base pack. Bogdanovich. Okay, yeah, no base packs anymore. Wild West. Oh, you can sell this one. Let's see if we can get a shake. There it comes. And that card already. Let's quick sell that for 2,000 empty. Stratosphere, the packs. Dark Matter. And we got the shake. Pulse hook. And its logo. Air Jordan I, Air Jordan B, and injury arm. Diamond. What is this? Point guard, Western, still early. Oh, you Stephen Curry in this playoffs packs. He's not in the playoffs, so this said playoffs. Yeah, I don't have that card, so that's the review. That's the best pool today. What else? Body small pack. Oh, Dark Matter card, Dexter. Ben Shepard. I think so. What else? Oh, this one. Regular pack. Wow. Anthony Hill. Okay, what else? Wait, this one. Season 5 Super Pack. This is this power forward number 33. Leonard Miller. Man. That's an L. Okay. Stratosphere. Dark Matter, Yao Ming. Dark Matter, 100 overall, Yao Ming, I mean. Durant Jackson Jr. That's how sad. 2 piece, an amethyst, a diamond, and they'll give me a sapphire, Durant Jackson Jr. Stratosphere. That's worse. Emerald. Aaron Schmidt. Yo. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 1 deluxe pack. 2 base and 3 regular pack. Bionic base pack. Jarvis Walker. Well, the regular pack instead of the base pack. Your pink diamond. There's a weapons. Let's see. Shooting guard. Number 12. Oh, Shan Brown. Shan Sharp. Shan Brown. That's Shan Sharp. Swap. This one sells for 16,800 empty. My goodness. Okay. Hold on. What else? Oh, that's our best pull. Pink diamond, Shan Brown. Well, Johnny Bouchon. Last 3 packs. Oh, Alex Len. Exchange, keeping me empty. Another big pack. Let's see, who's this? Point guard, Western. Oops, that guard. My goodness. Serious, what is that guard? Equal 2-step. Oop, I don't have that card. Okay. This will be our last pack of the day. I think we can pull any Dark Matter in this. I think we can pull this Galaxy Circle or a diamond or a big diamond. Big jersey. Thanks for praises. Shoe boost block. Timed. Oh, the nurse. What's this? Shooting guard. Oh my goodness. We pulled 2 Sean Brown and 2 Steph Curry. No dark matter of Galaxy Oppo for me. Okay.